Okay, so we're going to be finding missing exponents, and we're going to build upon what you guys know how to do. And I want you to look at this first question here. And you're going to notice that they don't tell you what the exponent is. You're supposed to figure out what that exponent is. So we know that it's got to be 4 times itself, so a couple of times, right?
Yes.
What is 4 times 4? 16. So it's not 4 to the second power. What is 4 times 4 times 4? 16 times 4 is 64. Is that 64? So guess what? This is the cubed root, and I want you to write it exactly like this on your paper. So x is equal to 3. You're actually kind of doing algebraic solutions with exponents, okay? So can you take a moment to record that? Okay, let's try the second question. So again, we have 6 to some exponent x is equal to 216. So we have to figure out how many times we have to multiply 6 together to get our answer. So we know 6 times 6 is 36. Now if you take your calculator, what is 6 times 36? 216, right? Okay, so that is equal to 6 to the third what? Power. I want to see your numbers written out. Can you use a calculator to figure this out?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you can. Okay, so x is equal to 3. Everyone go ahead and fix that on your paper. Okay, so for this next one, again, we know that it's got to be 10 times itself so many times.
Yeah.
So we know 10 times 10 is 100, correct?
Yes.
That's not going to give us enough, but if I multiply 100 times 10, that will give me 1,000. Is that going to be enough?
No.
I got to do it one more what? Time? So if I go 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, that's 10 to the fourth what? Power is equal to 1,000. So x is equal to 4. Okay? So, everyone do the other two by yourself, and then I'm going to call on somebody to give me those answers. Okay, so let's do 8 to the exponent to equal 64. And if you think about that, Dulce, which was your answer? Huh? 2. So x squared is equal to 64, so x is equal to 2. Awesome. Okay, Hannah Reiser, what did you get for the 9 to the x power? 3. So 9 times. So please also write 9 times 9 times 9. So that's 27 times 9 will give you 729. So she's correct. So x is equal to 3. And the last one. Oh, this one everyone should know that it is what?
3.
It's 12 what? Squared. 12 squared, and x is equal to 2. Okay. Okay, so what you're going to do for learning practice is to make sure you go to your Google Classroom and download the balanced equation PDF. I will have some paper copies available for the sub for 6th and 7th period. Again, it's the balanced equation PDF is the only one you need to do. Unless you're absent, then you need to download all of them. Okay, and so that sheet, if it's a worksheet, looks like this, okay? And you're going to do the same thing that we did, that I just taught you for all these, but I want to make sure that you are showing, so for example, 36 x squared, be very careful here, because it's x an exponent this time. Is it? Oh, no, it's not. So this 36 is equal to 6 times what? 6, so what is x? 6. They give you the exponent this time.
Whoa.
Oh, and then this time, wait a second. Shh, everyone think through that one. Ooh. Now you have to figure out what the exponent is. So 3 times 3 is 9. What's 9 times 3? 20 what? 7. 27 times 3, is it going to give you 81? Yes, so the exponent is what? 3. Don't be tricked. I know you can do it. I'm sorry, 4. Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. Oh, I was wrong. It is 4. It is 4. And the way you know it's by doing that. Okay. So this is your learning practice for the rest of the period.